9 Passive Income Ideas. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 9 Passive Income Ideas, how I make $27,000 per week. So make sure to watch the full video. Computerized income could be a staggering strategy for helping you with delivering extra pay. Whether you're running temporary work or essentially endeavoring to get some extra player consistently, particularly as expansion sees all through the economy. Recurring, automated revenue can assist you with procuring seriously during the great times and tide you over, assuming that you abruptly become jobless, on the off chance that you deliberately remove time from work, or on the other hand, assuming expansion wards breaking off at your buying power. With automated revenue, you can have cash coming in even as you seek after your essential work, or on the other hand, on the off chance that you're ready to foster areas of strength for an robotized income, you ought to kick back a little. For sure, a common robotized income gives you extra security. Furthermore, in the event that you're stressed over having the option to save enough of your profit to meet your retirement objectives, creating financial well-being through recurring automated revenue is a procedure that could speak to you as well. In the event that you're contemplating making an automated source of income, look at these 20 techniques and realize the stuff to find success with them, while likewise understanding the dangers related to every thought. What is passive income? Recurring, automated revenue incorporates customary income from a source other than a business or project worker. The Inside Income Administration, IRS, says recurring, automated revenue can emerge out of two sources: investment property or a business in which one doesn't effectively take part, for example, being delivered book sovereignties or stock profits. Numerous people envision that computerized income is connected to getting something to no end, says financial coach and surrendered shared reserves boss Todd Tresitter. You simply give the work forthright. By and by, you might finish some or all of the work proactively. However, recurring, automated revenue frequently includes some extra work en route as well. You could have to keep your thing revived or your speculation property overall around stayed aware of to keep the reserve dollars streaming. Yet, in the event that you're focused on the technique, it very well may be an incredible method for producing pay, and you'll make some extra monetary security for yourself en route. Number 1. Make a course. One well-known procedure for recurring, automated revenue is making a sound or video course, then kicking back while cash comes in from the offer of your item. Courses can be dispersed and sold through destinations like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Then again, you ought to genuinely consider a freemium model, fostering a following, with free cheerful and a while later charging for additional organized information or for the people who need to know more. For example, language instructors and stock-picking appeal could use this model. The free happy goes about as an exhibition of your mastery and may draw in those hoping to go to a higher level. Number 2. Compose a digital book. Composing a digital book can be a decent chance to make the most of the minimal expense of distributing and even influence the overall dissemination of Amazon to get your book seen by conceivably an enormous number of would-be buyers. Digital books can be moderately short, maybe 30 to 50 pages, and can be somewhat modest to make, since they depend on your own ability. You'll be a specialist on a particular point, however, the subject could be a specialty, and utilize a few exceptional abilities or capacities that not very many deals, yet that numerous perusers need. You can rapidly plan the book on a web-based stage, and afterward even test market various titles and price tags. However, very much like with planning a course, a great deal of the worth comes when you include more digital books with everything else, attracting more clients to your substance. Number 3. Rental pay. Putting resources into investment properties is a compelling method for acquiring automated revenue. However, it frequently requires surprisingly work. On the off chance that you don't require some investment to figure out how to make it a productive endeavor, you could lose your speculation to say the very least, says John H. Graves, a licensed venture trustee, AIF, in the Los Angeles region and creator of the 7% arrangement. You can manage the cost of an agreeable retirement. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I share different ways for you to earn money daily and exclusive content. Link in description. Number 4. Subsidiary showcasing. With subsidiary showcasing, site proprietors, virtual entertainment powerhouses, or bloggers advance an outsider's item by remembering a connection to the item for their webpage or online entertainment account. Amazon might be the most famous branch-off accessory, but eBay, Olin, and Sharia Sale are among the greater names too. What's more, Instagram and TikTok have become enormous stages for those hoping to grow a following and advance items. You could moreover think about growing an email overview to cause to see your blog or buy and large direct people to things and organizations that they could require. Number 5. Flip retail items. Take advantage of online arrangement stages like eBay or Amazon and sell things that you find at cut-rate costs elsewhere. You'll trade the qualification in your purchase and arrangement costs, and may be competent to structure a following of individuals who track your game plans. Opportunity. You'll have the option to make the most of the cost contrasts between what you can find and what the typical buyer might have the option to find. This could function admirably in the event that you have a contact who can assist you with getting to limited stock that a couple of others can find. Or on the other hand, you might have the option to find significant products that others have just neglected. Number 6. Sell photography on the web. Selling photography online probably won't be the clearest spot to set up a detached business. However, it could permit you to scale your endeavors, particularly on the off chance that's what to do. You could work with an association like Getty Pictures, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get everything rolling, you'll be supported by the stage, and afterward, you permit your photographs to be utilized by whoever downloads them. The stage then pays you each time someone uses your photo. You'll require photographs that entice a particular crowd or that address a specific scene, and you'll have to coax out where the interest is. Photographs could be shots with models, scenes, or inventive situations, and the sky is the limit from there, or they could catch genuine occasions that could make the news. Opportunity. Part of the advantage of selling or allowing your photos through a phase is that you might conceivably scale your undertakings, especially in case you can give pictures that will be popular. That implies you might actually sell similar pictures hundreds or thousands of times or more. Number 7. Buy crowdfunded real estate. On the off chance that you're keen on putting resources into land, but don't have any desire to do a ton of the truly difficult work, the board, fixes, dealing with occupants, and then some, then, at that point, another choice is utilizing a crowdfunding stage to put resources into property. An accomplished financial planning group selects the land, and afterward, you can choose to put resources into it and the amount you're all right with. You'll pay a yearly administration charge to the land stage and have the least speculation sums that could go from $10 to a huge number of dollars. Opportunity. You can gain admittance to private land bargains that might be appealing, and they've been pre-selected by proficient financial backers. You can look at the profits on the stages, so you'll have some thought of what level of profits you can expect and over what time period. Land ventures can likewise assist with broadening your portfolio, assisting with smoothing your profits. A few stages put resources into value stock, while others put resources into obligation. For the most part, the stock offers exceptional yields in return for more gambling, while obligation offers lower returns in return for less gambling. A few stages expect you to be a licensed financial backer with a specific lease pay or resources. Famous stages incorporate Raise Money, Yield Street, and Diversity Fund. Number 8. Shared loaning. A shared P2P credit is an individual advance made between you and a borrower, worked with through an outsider middle person, for example, Thrive or Lending Club. Different. Players incorporate Financing Circle, which targets organizations and has higher acquiring cutoff points, and Result, which targets better credit chances. Opportunity. As a bank, you procure pay-through revenue installments made on the credits. But since the credit is unstable, you could wind up with nothing in case of a default. Number 9. Profit stocks. Investors in organizations with profit-yielding stocks get an installment at normal stretches from the organization. Affiliations convey cash benefits on a quarterly explanation of their benefits, and you should simply have the stock. Benefits are paid per part of the stock, so the more offers you own, the higher your payout. Opportunity. Since the pay from the stocks isn't connected with any movement other than the underlying monetary speculation, possessing profit-yielding stocks can be one of the most aloof types of bringing in cash. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.